Continuing with our 870 maintenance, in this video we'll be going over proper cleaning. We'll start with the barrel. You'll need a shotgun cleaning rod, the appropriate gauge brushes, mops or patches, and a suitable cleaning solvent. Most of the time, a standard solvent like Hoppy's No. 9 will be all you need. However, if you find a great deal of plastic wad residue coating the bore, you'll want to use something a bit more aggressive that's designed to dissolve wad fouling. A good choice for this would be Brownell's Shotgun Wad Solvent. We'll start with running a solvent-soaked patch or mop down the bore and let it sit for a few minutes to loosen things up. Now that we've let the solvent work for a few minutes, run the brush back and forth through the bore to scrub out the fouling. Follow it up with a few patches with a bit of solvent on them to wipe out the bore. Then run a clean, dry patch through and see how it looks. If the patch shows signs of carbon, you'll want to repeat the procedure until all the fouling is removed. After the barrel is clean, let's move on to the trigger group. There's no need to disassemble the fire control parts to get them clean. An aerosol cleaner like gun scrubber combined with a good scrubbing with a brush will loosen and flush out all the fouling that's accumulated. Next, let's move on to the receiver using the same method. Give a generous spray of gun scrubber to the inside of the receiver, followed by a few passes with a brush to loosen any carbon and remove debris. Once the receiver's been cleaned, we'll move on to the bolt assembly, again spraying it with gun scrubber and brushing. After you have all the parts clean, wipe them down with a clean rag. Adding a little light oil or solvent will help remove any dirt or dried residue. Once you finish wiping everything down, give all the parts a thorough inspection to make sure nothing was missed. Now that we've covered proper disassembly and cleaning, all that's left is lubrication and reassembly. Check our next 870 maintenance video on how to properly lubricate your Remington 870.